Stressed? Overwhelmed? Looking for calm without leaving your home? Let's show you how a simple water fountain can do all that and more. The gentle gurgle of water creates a meditative environment. Your space becomes your sanctuary. In Vastu and Feng Shui, flowing water invites positive energy and removes stagnation. Energy flows, life flows. Want something your guests can't stop talking about? A stylish fountain becomes a centerpiece of elegance. Pair it with your yoga corner or puja space. The rhythm of water aligns with your breath. Flowing water, flowing abundance, a symbol of growth, wealth, and emotional balance. Flowing water, flowing abundance, a symbol of growth, wealth, and emotional balance. Your home should reflect your energy. Add your signature with a fountain that speaks to your soul. Visit Kridha Decor and bring home more than just decor. Bring home peace, purpose, and prosperity.